Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of my favorite Pinterest find from Savana. This haul is a total mix, random cute stuff, trendy tops and some super pretty dresses. If you love aesthetic pieces and affordable fashion, you are going to love this haul. Just look at this super cute tube top. Oh my god, the fabric is so soft and stretchable. Look at the fit. ये बहुत ज़्यादा बॉडी हगिंग टॉप है, बिल्कुल भी अनकंफर्टेबल फील नहीं हो रहा है, बहुत अच्छे से बॉडी पे परफेक्टली फिट हो गया है. Look at this ruffle printed top. The detailing of ruffles in sleeves looks so elegant. Material soft and very flowy, very lightweight fabric. This top is also very perfect for brunch, casual dates or even a day out in college. Under 500, this is totally worth it. Looking for something very simple and elegant for any vacations, this halter neck top is such a good deal. Fabric quality is so soft and comfortable. This is perfect for both day outs and evening plans. If you love basic t-shirts, look at this. This classic round neck pullover t-shirt. Fabric is soft cotton blend, feels super comfy on skin. The fit is relaxed but flattering, not too tight or loose, just right. Under 400, totally worth it. This is super pretty A-line dress, off-shoulder vibes, giving it such a very sweet girly look. The red and white checked print is so fresh and summery, and honestly the quality makes it a total steal. Okay guys, let me show you this super affordable 2-belt combo. Got for under $290. Both belts of feels super sturdy and looks more expensive than they actually are. This combo is totally worth it. Okay, look at this cutie. This mirror is literally so aesthetic. I got it just under rupees 250. It's totally worth it. It's give you a perfect aesthetic vibe, perfect for travel. Let's talk about something every girl should have in her wardrobe: nipple pasties or nipple cover. These are total game changer when you are wearing outfit backless tops, deep necklines or strapless dresses. They are reusable. They give a smooth, seamless look under your clothes. No lines, no bumps and absolutely no show through. This cute little butterfly clutcher, and guess what? ये सिर्फ मुझे 50 रुपीज़ में मिला है. Can we take a moment to appreciate how cute these hair scrunchies are? Soft, stretchy and super gentle on the hairs. No breakage, no pulling. These scrunchies add that perfect pop of color and style. I got in just rupees 150. Looking for the perfect blend of class and style? This premium shoulder bag is just perfect with its classic print and gold chain strap. According to the price, it's totally worth it. I got in under rupees 700. If you love minimal jewelries, definitely you love these pearl earrings. If you loved this little Pinterest haul with me, so don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.